Big up Crosses TV.
I'm mad things that are going over here, Crosses TV.
Baseball, huh?
Crosses TV.
Oh yeah. You know I bet baseball every day. I played some just now. Oh shit.
Crosses TV. Catch a one here.
About 2-3 home run just now.
Crosses TV. Catch a one here. Don't make it job. Come here, so. Come here, so. Come. Live time. So my friend, two Yankee girl come here, so. You saw she look at me? Nah, show your face. Two Yankee girl come here, so a while ago. My friend came and tell me, say, girl, pull up round there. So I say, I will come in. When we reach round there, them attack. So I see them in across this inner the sun there. Big. I said, I feel like a Jamaica me there. She a Guyanese. She come from Guyana. Hold on, Dick. I don't know what you do for my life. That's women they block you. Come on for my life. Munchie, I say a piece of judgment go on a while ago. What go on a while ago? So the girl them come, so when me come now across this TV, I say me not expect how me come attacking. So I reach, I see them attack. So me just come and hold a seat. Because I don't want to escalate the situation because them attack. And them are in-law. My friend's son, baby mother. And my friend now want the girl in her house and catch the girl in her house and run out the girl last night.
Oh, I can't go there.
Which man? The white man blood clot.
Papa,
What? Eh?
you not hear me?
Me I hear you walk
No,
one.
I'm there, girl.
Mama.
But just
Eh?
choose somebody call me. Where's the app more? Who get yeah, you know.
One big stone watch a mama cup and blood clot back them like them line at the back them wait for them come
No,
back
sir.
watch big stone. Watch big stone in America, me tell you.
I'm on a war tip right now.
When me come round here, me see them attack. So me sit down.
Ready for whatever. I have to stay prepared.
Me see them attack and me come sit down. So me say, Mama come in. And done because chat is them come, but them not come board or chat is them a chat. So me go so boom now and tell Mama say for come and she and her daughter. Them a walk a come in Mama. Them a walk away from the girl. Them and the two a big woman. Them a go to them car. Cause two of them drive two different car come here. The girl come back out her car and take up this. The baby buckle there. Here no. She a go fling it.
The baby buckle. So the baby
The
baby
baby
buckle like what she
buckle.
threw. I feel baby buckle like what she threw.
Her granddaughter. So she a go throw it. So when she fling the buckle, me said to blood clot. Mama some big stone reach over there.
Mighty God.
The girl run. Yo, when the big stone at the buckle them start fling over there, say, Mama, the girl turn idiot and don't even remember for running her car. The girl run back at the white van the way you see right there. So
Hold up it up, I can't see. Oh.
the girl run. Cause right there, so she there no, right there so. And I carry across the street this so. You see when the buckle them come, Mama and her daughter out there, you know. Mama she never, a Yankee never know nothing about that, but my friend come from Guyana, yeah, my friend she don't know about Dandy Shandy. Move your blood clot from her.
My.
I don't know about that.
She pull up her the girl woman yard.
Come on the woman yard, the big Sunday yard, big and careless. Come on the woman yard, I defend her dirty daughter where the woman no want in her house. Okay, somebody no want you pick in her house and she come here and the woman run her house. You come and defend it. When me don't beat my blood clot daughter, we do the woman yard. We do the woman yard. You know she we do the woman yard.
How old her daughter?
And that's a big 20 idea what girl breed, but she breed from my friend's son.
Oh, so this is the dilemma go.
Yeah, she breed my friend's son, but she not no manners. I know we Caribbean people who no deal with look up it one and manners. So my friend no want her around here. But she
Oh, so
come
she
here
upset.
same way and she come in at the yard, but she don't want her in her house. The last night, no, she come in because my friend never there.
Oh, I should come catch her.
And she come catch her in here and them kick her. So she must go see her mother. Her mother come
Yeah.
now this time. The
Why
mother not
people
have no
some
shame.
me not come hey, you see I tell me as a young girl so not come here, but not come here, you know. I mean I fight if you come here neither. But just alright, then me not come here. Mm.
Mama, me not even not come for your black.
Who the fuck goes?
Me not tap for your gate.
Mm-mm.
Me
So now
not
I make
come for
everybody
your
get
black.
herself in a trouble door. Cause the people are crosses, you know.
When the buckle them start reach them, you know, here or not. Now I'm calling the police, but when I come here, you know, when I come here, the girl a chat tough. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna leave because I don't want to have to fuck y'all up. I want to have to fuck. I saw she going away, so the buckle them start reach her, dirty blood clot here. I'm calling the police.
Fucking rat bastard bitch. Yeah, that's all you good for. Go call ICE. Go call police.
Yeah, shall I call ICE? Here, I'm gonna call ICE.
Come
I'm a
on.
car. I'm legal. I was born here. Them love about them
Yeah.
born, yeah.
Murder. Crosses TV. Oh, go on.
I wasn't born here and I got more rights than you. Fuck
Cross
outta
the
here.
TV. Catch a one here now. I make sure it not drop.
Oh, try to come
But
out the woman
say,
yard.
come on the woman yeah, that the big son
Mm-hmm.
there. Big son there. Me just don't talk to woman, you know. I will say, look more where I go up on the road. But them walk back to the city that the girl come with and bring people. But she don't bring her daughter. The daughter not come
Yeah,
back.
me I beat all shit too to get her ass whooped. I'm gonna make my kids whoop her. I'm too grown to be whooping on your daughter. So bitch, your mama, me and you can rock her all day.
But when the girl see the big stone and the back of them come, she right. You know the girl told you that children she for run left, right, center, she run man.
You know, see the back of them line up crosses TV.
But she run past her car because her car did it so. And she turn back and run go.
The man don't want the back of catch her. Them not used to them get to wire there.
She don't know what happened. She don't know what the fuck is going on. The back of them start drop shit like what? Yeah, going back.
If she see some get to wire, remember she never
I don't
wire.
say we ghetto all day. Bitch, you think y'all ghetto? Bitch, we ghetto. That we come from ghetto. Just like you say, we come from shithole third world country. We all that.
And them something she run there say. And that bitch run there say.
Bitch, we rock. That's right.
And that woman run there say.
I will rock your ass, bitch.
We live better than blood clot. Them in our third world country. Me nah
They don't. That's what I'm saying. They don't even know. Bitch, you love to come to them third world countries. They love it.
wait to see them a come back. Cross the TV.
Them come out with country.
I know them come back. Me I catch a fear crosses. Don't worry.
Them same third world country they talk about.
I hope they don't
Them
come
don't
back
know
on
from
Sunday, yeah. It's
Pakistan,
not the time.
them
Me
not
I tell you, out a nice see. But a sun out a feel chilly.
joining their politics.
You know.
I'm like, as long as you ain't got no gun on the car, I don't care about what you got going. I ain't gonna
Yeah.
You hear me? I'm like,
But I'm afraid.
hers and probably yours. So you leave me out of this situation. And for two, you said something about me, and I'm telling you, you're gonna be the man. Your boyfriend, your husband, your baby father, either one of them niggas. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with a lady. She's like, well, I respect you because you Miss, once again, I'm not here for all that. You wanna say something, she's not outside. I'm talking to my friend. She pulled off and left easily. Now she came back. Again, when you was here with the bottle throwing incident. Why you keep coming out here to talk? And she brought that
Let's even know so much time she come around here.
2 times.
3 times them say she come around here.
You technically on somebody's property.
Exactly, because that's why I come see her. When I come see her in the gate right there, so I come sit down in the moon, she come here and say, okay, well, I know why then them attack. Because I say my step right there, so cause she in the gate.
That's why this
Because you can't come in the gate, come in and argue with me. I must talk, we attack. You can't come in my yard. Come argue with me.
As soon as I said that, I'm looking like, one, y'all own their property. And two, My daughter came outside to talk to me, and I don't want to see none of this shit. So I'm asking y'all, can y'all please leave? I don't want to be no issue like that, but y'all technically are on this shit. As she said, no, respectfully, I don't want to do nothing in front of y'all kids. But if
I'm going to tell her to come, car broke. When I tell her to have a car broke, you go inside. She pick up the buckle, come back out her car.
And threw it over here.
And throw the buckle. So she throw the buckle, Brooke just start throw back.
I'm looking like, yo, every time somebody walk away, you antagonize them and start the problem up. But yet you don't want to fight. You get the fuck around here.
She don't want to fight because she the right there, so she and Brooke the right there to attack. If you come for fight, me that
sit here and yell at somebody.
You get me I say, Munchie, you come for fight, me I go smoosh your face, fuck me and start it. Me not come so far for coming in the argument. We could talk on the phone.
We drove 40 minutes away just to come and sit here and yell at somebody.
40 minutes to drive to come get our car mash up. Our car mash up. That's Brooke flinging that car.
You been fucked up and you hit a window.
Yo,
problem.
the only reason why the window didn't break because the window was down. Brooke threw that shit right in the car on her ass. She's like, I'm gonna call the police. Brooke was like, Brooke, call the police.
I know her daughter like hit that shit over the top of this car and hit the side, left a mark on her shit, a bad mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll remember me for that now.
Alias torn out her blood. Alias started shorting. What?
I don't think like that.
That's that Caribbean shit, Terrence. That's what we do. That's how we fight. I don't fucking thumping shit. Come make a roll and drop a ground. Won't you do them something there? See, they get some buckler big four.
You got talking on the phone. You got a whole bunch of issues happening. I'm looking like people walking down the street, neighbors popping out. Don't entertain her. Y'all got a lot of shit going on. Good things, some little bit of negative shit. They're nothing crazy.
That's the thing.
You don't need nobody
because there's never know nothing on this block. It's never none of that on this block. I don't know where she thinks she at. We not living in the hood, bitch. We not in the hood. Ain't nothing be happening like that around here, bro. You come around that store with that baga.
It's a quiet spot, bro.
Yeah, our neighbor would chill. Same time, I want to see one police car when the woman said, shut the ear, Brooke. To the police, they call them, fan them down. Brooke, listen to me, Munchie. When the buckle them start fleeing, because our friend the gun at the car now, she come out and put on a show, you know. And so when the buckle them start fleeing, the woman run and jump in her car, drive off with our friend, you know.
The next one,
the woman run with our friend.
Murder.
Never said to Brooke, don't know what the blood clot friend talk.
I don't even know the lady.
How where she come from?
Yeah,
The lady she not even know where she go from. Like,
it's your fucking old ass.
Jesus Christ.
Like, what the hell is wrong with these bitches, though?
My big woman. That big woman.
Go ahead. I don't even know you. I don't even know why you come to my shit. Who are you?
Why you coming to my house? You ain't got no knife, no taser, no pepper spray,
I know
no
pepper spray. No,
the woman come. Them said the woman come in a flip flop. Oh, she come for fight in a flip flop. She not come for fight.
No sneakers, no boots, nothing.
They come to fight. They came to talk. But the mother just have put on a show. The mother just want to put on a show.
Yeah, come over here and Gucci and shit. Nigga, who the like, yeah.
We're Gucci now, yeah. We're Gucci to the store.
You come here to show off on me?
Or we're
Bitch,
Gucci to the store.
Thousands of fucking Gucci down here.
We're
What
Gucci
the fuck is
to
wrong
the
with
store.
you? Huh?
Do I do the Gucci, yeah?
Gucci, Versace, Jacobs, all types of shit downstairs.
Munchie, just the festive night of Sunday, yeah. From East to yes, them in the city.
That's your blood clot worship, you stupid fuck. I'm about money.
This, look out with the Gucci.
There
You know,
go.
get
Wear
out
them
the
shit in
store.
the fucking yard. That's
What?
Shut
We're
up,
Gucci
blood
for
clot Gucci.
fun.
Let me show you. I want to. I want to.
I can't know.
I want to them. Ain't come around here with fuckeries. Ain't who you're frightened, bitch. Nobody's frightened for that. They used to that. I gotta bring them outside. I got bitch. All do is bring it outside.
We on live talking about how
fucking do.
2 American bitches came over here and got bottles.
That is, you did not come to fight. You really didn't want to fight. You really didn't want to fight.
Damn, man, I ain't go live when that shit was happening. I didn't know it was going to go that way.
I should have been popped off from you first came.
Exactly.
Really nice.
Come out here, y'all. a liquor in her face right this and get what we did because she come in the yard.
She brave girl.
Yeah, she come to the girl
But I just
yard.
wanted her to make the first move.
Come
That
here,
was
so
it.
Alia. You see,
Make
look at
the
Brooke.
first move.
Brooke, little bit, so come here. Look at her daughter. Come here, so Alia. You see, Brooke, look up? And this is her daughter. Them look up. So she feel like say she can't come, because she come with an old big body woman.
The little and
Like
little and full, fragile.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
This ain't that. This ain't
But
that.
then I remember say Guyana Brooke originally born